Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix a blockhead PayPal account. Let's get started. So for that, first of all, you have to visit the PayPal website. Open up your browser and the search bar, simply search for paypal.com. And then inside here, try logging into your account. If you can't access it or see a restriction message, don't panic, just move on to the next step. Inside here, all you have to do is simply scroll below and here simply tap on contact. Now, choose the option to reach customer support via your phone or live chat. Explain your situation clearly so they understand the issue. Also, PayPal may ask for information to confirm you are the real account owner. This could include answering security questions, providing identification documents, confirming reset transactions. You should have this info ready to speed up the process. Once the support views your case, follow any instruction they give you. They might involve completing extra security checks or updating specific account details. So make sure to complete everything they request to avoid delays. After you have followed the necessary step, keep an eye on your email and your PayPal account. PayPal will notify you as soon as your account has been reviewed or restored. That's it. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most issues with blocked PayPal account. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.